If you want to take every single detail about BTT Maker, you are on the right video. In this video, I will guide you how you can earn from this platform, how much you can earn, what are the terms and conditions. I will give you every single detail. For more information, you can visit this official website, that is www.bttmaker.io. Before that, do you know what is BTT? BTT is a cryptocurrency whose full name is BitTorrent. Is like a tron currency whose values in these days is very less, but in future it will definitely increase and will give you a huge profit. Dear friend, you can earn maximum BTT from this platform. In future your saving will give you more profit. Let's discuss the main highlight of this plan. You can start this plan with just 500 BTT. You can earn direct income, level income, and best thing about this plan is autopool income. You can earn huge amount from autopool income and you can earn from globally. Now let's just discuss about the main strengths of BTT Maker. Dear friend, it's a smart contract, can never be hacked, begin with just low investment, that is 500 BTT. Here peer-to-peer transactions, no owner, no admin, 100% decentralized and 100% transparent. You can check each other IDs and you can check that how much other person are earning. Also, the one thing I like about this plan is here low transaction fees, almost zero. So you don't have to pay extra money for that. Potential earning and million of BitTorrent here for you. And one more good thing about this plan is referral bonus up to 10 levels. Let's discuss about type of income. Whenever you start with 500 BTT, you are eligible to get direct income, smart global matrix income, 10 level income, smart global level autopool income. That is very special. And one more attractive part of this business plan is highest recruitment reward, that we will discuss end of the video. Dear friend, let's just understand that how this business plan work. Whenever you start with 500 BTT, 400 BTT goes to your direct income, 400 BTT goes to sponsor, and 100 BTT goes to highest recruitment reward. Let's just discuss about the global matrix package. That is one of the attractive part of this business plan. For smart global matrix package, you have to pay 1000 BTT. 500 BTT goes to smart matrix, 500 BTT goes to level income. Now let's just understand the smart global matrix. There is a level, team, turnover, auto upgrade and income. In first level, if you have a 2 member of team from global, your turnover will be 1000 and auto upgradation is 600 BTT, your income will be 400 BTT. In second level, if your global team is 4, your turnover will be 2400. Auto upgrade is 1400 and your income will be 1000. The unique thing about this business plan is here there is a 3 levels. In third level, if your team will be 8 from global, your turnover will be 11,200. You don't have to upgrade yourself, you will earn 11,200. Total income you will earn from here is 12,600. Is totally depend upon you. If you want to start in next level, you can start. Let's discuss about the 500 BTT level. In first level, your bonus will be 100, in second 80, in third 60, in fourth 50, and in fifth to seventh 40, 8th to 10th 30. So dear friend, you can earn good amount from level income. Dear friend, let's understand the second global, that start from 2000 BTT. 1000 BTT goes to smart global matrix, 1000 BTT goes to level. Same like first global autopool, there is also 3 level. From first level your income will be 600, from second level your income will be 1600, from third level your income will be 32,000. Total income you will earn from this level is 34,200. There is an auto upgrade in first level from 1400, in second level 4000. In third level there is no auto upgrade. And if we talk about the 1000 BTT level, here you can earn good amount of money from level. In first level you will earn 200 BTT, in 10th level you will earn 60 BTT. Dear friend, let's move to next global autopool. In this 2000 goes to smart global matrix, 2000 goes to level. In first level here you will earn 1000 BTT, in second level 3000 BTT, in third level 72,000 BTT. Total income you will earn 76,000 BTT. And from level income, in first level you will get 400 bonus, In second level you will get 320 bonus. In 10th level you will get 120 as a bonus. Moving to next, this global auto pool start from 8000 BTT, 4000 BTT goes to Smart Global Matrix, 4000 goes to level. Here total amount you will earn 1,66,000 BTT. From level, in first level you will earn 800 as a bonus. From 10th level you will earn 240 as a bonus. Therefore, next global auto pool start from 10,000 BTT, 5,000 go to Smart Global Matrix, 5,000 go to level. Here total income you will earn 2,30,000 BTT. From level, in first level you will earn 1000 as a bonus. In 10th level you will earn 300 as a bonus. Let's discuss about the next global auto pool. It starts from 20,000 BTT, 10,000 goes to Smart Matrix, 10,000 go to level. Here you will earn 4,18,000 BTT, and from level, in first level you will earn 2,000 BTT, and from 10th level you will earn 600 BTT as a bonus. Moving to next, here you can start with 30,000 BTT, 15,000 goes to Smart Matrix, 15,000 goes to level. Here you will earn 5,92,000 BTT, and from level you can also earn good amount of money. In first level you will earn 3,000 as a bonus. From 10th level you will earn 900 as a bonus. Moving to next, you can start with 50,000 BTT, 25,000 goes to Smart Matrix, 25,000 goes to BTT level. Yes, my dear friend, total income you will earn 8,70,000 from here, and from level, in first level you will earn 5,000 bonus, and from 10th you will earn 1,500 as a bonus. Dear friend, let's just understand how Smart Global Level Pool income work. It starts from 500 BTT. In first level, if you have a team of 3 members, you can earn 50 from each member, and total income you will earn 150. In second level, if you have a team of 9 members, total earning you will earn from each member is 50, and total earning you will earn from this platform is 450. Same like that, as your team will increase, your earning will increase. Total earning you will earn from this platform is 3,47,280. Now let's just understand about the next Smart Global Level Pool income. You will earn 4,16,736 BTT from here. From next level pool income you will earn 6,94,560 BTT. One more attractive thing about this business plan is, if you do highest recruitment every week, you will get a reward. That is very special thing about this plan. And here top 5 sponsor will get amount. Let's just understand by example. Suppose there is a 1 lakh BTT. First sponsor will get 30,000. If you are in second position, you will get 25%. In third position, you will get 20%. In fourth position, you will get 15%. In fifth position, you will get 10%. Means you will get 10,000 BTT. That is the extra earning for every user. So what are the advantage of this plan? You can earn from your team, you can earn from your downline, you can earn from 8 Smart Global Matrix, 2x, 4x and 8x. That is amazing. Also there is a 3 Smart Global Level Pool, 3x7, unlimited 10 level working income. Also you can earn from highest recruitment reward, and from the global matrix you can earn in lakhs. Dear friend, you can pause the video and also read the package buying process. Let's discuss about the term and condition. If you do 1 direct, your 3 level will be open. If you do 2nd and 3rd direct, your 6th level will be open. And if you do 4th and 5th direct, your 10th level will be open. And dear friends, suppose if you refer 5 direct business associate, then you will be eligible for 10th level bonus. What kind of wallet you can use for this platform? You can use TronLink Pro, Clever Wallet or Token Pocket. I just hope so you will definitely like this business idea. For more information you can visit in description and check every single detail. You can also visit his official website and take every single information. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your patience. Have a good day, one life, live it beautifully.